So this is like the first question type. This is one of the questions. How would you structure this, Miriam? How would you structure the essay?
Okay, so I need to analyze. Okay, I'm going to read. Some people believe that unpaid community service should be a compulsory part of high school programs. For example, working for a charity, improving the neighborhood, or teaching sports to younger children. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Okay. Some people believe that unpaid community service should be compulsory.
So how many paragraphs would you use for a writing task 2?
3 paragraphs. So introductory, body part, and conclusion. Body part can have 2 paragraphs. Yes.
Yeah. So that would be the best. So the best is that you have, like you said, an introduction, then 2 body paragraphs, and 1 conclusion. This is the most common structure for all the essays in IELTS. It's the easiest to work with. It's just 4 paragraphs. Sometimes people are like, no, I want to use another paragraph. I want to use 5 paragraphs. I want to do 3 paragraphs. It's always easier to just stick with 4 paragraphs. In other writing, you can do whatever you want, but in the IELTS, use 4. So what would you have in your, because the introduction is very similar. I mean, it's the same thing, how it works. The conclusion, more or less the same as well. What would you have in your first body paragraph?
It's a little description. It's a little description about the situation. Yes, but I need to. No. So in this case, I use the 2 positions. Yes.
So to what extent do you agree or disagree? Are you going to agree, disagree, or sit on the fence?
So at the beginning, I can say I agree with this or no. Only at the end. Yes. At the
no,
end.
you because they clearly asked to what extent you do agree. You can you can start already with building arguments towards an agreement.
Okay. Yes.
So there's no problem here that you can already mention that you agree with this. The easiest again to work with is either you agree or you disagree. You can sit on the fence, and you can do 1 agree and 1 disagree, and at the end kind of like I don't really know, but it's a bit more challenging to write. Unless you're really good at writing, I would just say stick to either you agree or you disagree. And then again, the IELTS, they don't really care if what is your opinion. They don't care if you agree or they don't care if you disagree. They only care how you structure your arguments. So if you don't find any arguments for agree and you find lots of arguments for disagree, then just use disagree. It's not a personal thing. They don't need your personal opinion. It helps, of course. But the easiest is like, oh, I can't find any agrees. So, okay, I disagree.
In the essay, I can give my personal opinion, yeah?
That's the thing. You can give your personal opinion. But like I said, if you can't find any arguments for your personal opinion, then maybe you have to change your opinion.
Okay.